Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Buffalo here. I am doing a FBA transparency video, which is a small shipment. And I'm also adding in my very first What Sold video. So let's get to it, show you what I got.
Welcome to Defend the Hustle. Buffalo always keeps it a buck.
I can guarantee you most of the audience is gonna agree with me before they agree with you.
Lock in, because Buffalo is about to
Crack your cranium and fertilize your brain. Go ahead, right here, right now. You go ahead.
subscribe and share now.
Okay, so this is what I have in each box. I have the Ryan's World Gauntlet right here, the hand. I have the Ryan's World refrigerator. I have some halos over here. I have the pet simulator. I got these for $3 from Walmart. I also have some 1,000 piece puzzles down there in the bottom. And I'm gonna have to repack this stuff, so keep it moving. Got the axe toss. I paid $1 for these at Walmart. I got the wish puzzle over here. Let's see what else I got in here. That's pretty much it for that box. The next box is a lot of dolls in here. I got the Monster High. I have some Rainbow High. I got some more Monster High and Rainbow High down in the bottom. I have the Doctor Strange action figures, some Star Wars lightsaber over there. Here I have Nerf guns, some Roblox. In this box I have more Doctor Strange, Wish. I have some Legos down there, more Halo, 500 piece puzzle Black Panther right here. If this is your first time coming to the channel, this is how I pack my high-end figures. I put it on the sticker. This is a set, do not separate. And I ship it to Amazon like this, so that if something happened where it don't sell or whatever, they can return me my item back in good condition. Also, I talked about these dolls as well. I shipped them in on the last shipment just to see what kind of movement they was going to get at the fulfillment center. They're moving, but not that fast, so I don't know how soon I'm going to ship in the rest of them. And in this last box is basically all dolls. Another set of Rainbow High, Monster High. This is another Rainbow High. And I also have a Mega Construct down there as well. So this is not a big shipment for the fulfillment center. But one thing I wanted to go over is a little tip. So yeah, let me talk about the tip I want to give you about FBA. I know that some resellers, complain about once their item get to the fulfillment center, it get lost. So I got a little tip I'm gonna share with you. All right, so as you notice, each box I got a tag that I put on the inside, and basically this tag represents what should be inside of this box, and it shows that I've checked off each item. So this may be a little overkill for some people, but all right, so we're gonna get down here to my what sold items, and I have a lot. This is a total of 2 days, and I actually had to take some time off so I could get up here to get this stuff prepared to ship out, and I got a long day. Okay, so here's my table. It's a total of 2 tables, and I have over here the Barbie helicopter. I sold 3 of those. I got them from Ross for $16.99. This item right here, the Dino, I have sold this item twice. It's been returned twice. So this is the 3rd time. So hopefully 3rd time is a charm, and it'll get the owner will get it and keep it. This item right here, Santa's mailbox. I'm trying to keep the labels covered so I don't expose people's addresses and stuff. So this here, I got this 2 years ago from a clearance sale at Walmart. Just listed it this year. I think I paid $10 for it, sold for $140. I got the Barbies back here. I got the Rainbow High. This one I got for $10 from Walmart. It just sold for $59. I got these from Walmart as well, $2.50. think each cup sold for 19. I got the Iron Man for $5. I forgot what they sold for. This item right here was returned from Amazon, and this is the reason why I tell you I put my stuff in the boxes like this when I ship it off to Amazon, because I want to keep it protected. Well, once I shipped these off to Amazon, they canceled the listing, and then all these were sent back to me, so now they're selling on Walmart. I got this one from a website a couple years ago for on clearance, Frankenstein. These Easy Bakes, I picked them up from Walmart for $1, and I think they sold for 16. Mr. Beast over here, I paid 10 bucks for that. That sold for 60. I got the WWE Retro, the Macho Man over here, along with the NWO. Customer ordered both of those. I got the Hobgoblin over here. This was my last one. I picked these up for 6 bucks, and I think I had a total of 8, and this is the last one sold. These Crayola arts for Frozen 2, I got these from Walmart for $1 on clearance. This came from, I think I got these from Ross for $11.99. And another thing is, when I put this stuff over here, I just saw the tag, but when I put this stuff over here, this is where I prep it at. I don't just take it and put it in a box and ship it off. I go and check the item, make sure there's no damage, make sure that all the sale tags are removed, and then I prep it and then package ship it. So I got some Cabbage Patch dolls over here. Customer, they basically sold back to back. I got the Avenger over here, Captain America. Got the Mirage. Customer bought 2 of these. And you see that tag said 40. I definitely didn't pay 40. I think I paid more like 12 for each one. Also, I got the Jetson hoverboard over here that I got in liquidation, and this mug is brand new, never been opened. The seal is still on there, as you can see. I also got these Rainbow High, LOL movie magics. I got those in liquidation as well for about 10 bucks, and these are selling around $90. I got this from Kohl's. I think I paid $25 for it. I just sold that for $140. So this is what sold. I don't have a total of everything on this table would sell for. It's my first what sold video, so I'm a rookie at the what sold videos when it comes to this type of FBM stuff. And it's a mixture, it's a mixed bag of Amazon and Walmart sales. So I did have some eBay sales, but those already shipped. I didn't get to put those out because I shipped those out yesterday. But I knew that I would get here today early to get my Amazon and my Walmart shipments out. So yeah, I got a lot of work to do. Appreciate you all supporting the channel. Don't forget, every Sunday night I have a show called Defend the Hustle with D Middleman Picker and Glass City Pickers. Come out and support the channel. And we also have every end of the month, which will be, hopefully this video get out like in the next 2 days. We have Cajun Roots, New England Cajun Roots, that's gonna be our guest that come in every end of the month for the show. So with that being said, Buffalo Picker, I appreciate your support. Defend the Hustle. See you on the next video.